Hello, my dear students. This video is going to be very interesting as I'm going to give you a super trick of writing a non-terminating and repeating number in P by Q form in not more than 3 seconds. Yay! So let's start quickly. Let me take some examples of simple form and mixed form where the bar can be on any number of digits. No worries, you will be able to write any type of number in a bit of seconds. So my numbers are ready and you should be ready now. Firstly, we'll write the denominator, and denominator only deals with the decimal part, and for that you have to put as many nines in the denominator as you have the number of digits under the bar. Let's start with the first example, 7 bar. I have one digit under the bar, so I will place 1 9 in my denominator. For second, I have 7 5 bar. Bar is on 2 digits. Therefore, I will write 2 nines in my denominator. So my denominator is 99. In the third example, 862 under the bar. So you have 3 digits. So 3 9 in my denominator. Fourth example, I have 2 3 bar. So bar is not on 5. So you will place how many nines in the denominator? 2 nines. Similarly, for example 5, I have 3 7 bar and the bar is only on 2 digits. So I will place 2 nines in my denominator. And in the last example, I have 637 under the bar. So I have 3 digits under the bar. So I will write 3 nines in the denominator. Now this denominator is not complete. After these nines, you have to place as many zeros as you have the number of digits without bar after decimal. Number of digits without bar after decimal. So let's check the first question. After decimal, I have only 7 bar. So I don't have any digit which is without bar after the decimal. Just observe the decimal part for denominator. So first example, I have only 7 bar, no other digit which is without bar after the decimal. So no 0 will come in the denominator. In the second example also, I have no digit without bar after decimal. So no 0 will come in the denominator, only nines will come. Third example, again I have nothing without bar after the decimal, so no 0 will come. Number 4, you can see it's 5 2 3 after decimal, but 2 3 is under the bar. 5 is the only digit which is without bar after the decimal. So how many digits you have? One digit. So I will place 1 0 after my nines. So it will be 990. Number 5, I have 4 2 3 7 as my decimal part and bar is on 3 7. Without bar, I have 2 digits, 4 and 2. 2 digits. So how many zeros will come? 2 zeros after my nines. My denominator will be 9900. Let's see the last example now. I have only one digit, that is 2, which is without the bar. So I will place 1 0 after nines. That's it. My denominators are ready. Now I need to work on my numerators. So for numerator, now you will forget everything about the decimal. You need to write the full number as it is and then just subtract that part which is without bar. Let's see the first example. It's 07, so I can write it only 7. So what is left without bar is only 0. So I need to subtract only 0 from 7. That will give you only 7. So no need to write 0. You can directly write 7 in such cases. So 7 over 9, your P by Q form is ready. Let's see the second example. It's 075. So I will write my full number 75 minus nothing without bar. It's 0 only. So no need to subtract. You can simply write 75 over 99 becomes your P by Q form. Let's see the third example. I will write first the full number, that is 3862. Then I have to subtract that part which is without bar. So that is only 3. So 3862 minus 3 will give you 3859 and over 999. This will be your P by Q form. You can also write your answer in the lowest form if you want. So let's see the fourth example. Write your full number, that is 7523, and then subtract that part which is without bar. So without bar, you can see it's 75. So I will subtract 75 from this. you will get 7448 over 990. This becomes your P by Q form. You can also write your answer in the lowest form, that is 3724 over 495. Let's move on to the next example. Write the full number 134237 minus the part which is without bar. 1342 is without bar. So I will subtract and my answer is 132895 over 9900. It's as simple as that. So now you're finding it easy. So let's finish with the last example 374267. From my full number, I will subtract the part which is without bar 3742. So my answer is 3738895 over 9990. So you can see you can find your answer in a fraction of seconds. Denominator is very simple, just nines and zeros you need to check, and then your numerator you just have to do the subtraction, and subtraction you can do in seconds. Now it's your time. If you have understood this trick, try these two questions, pause the video and note down your time, how many seconds you take for writing these answers. Don't forget to post your answers in the comment section below. If you like this video, hit the like button and subscribe for more videos, and do share it with your friends. See you next time.